Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT to create your LinkedIn summary. So first of all, make sure you have ChatGPT in your browser and you are logged in. So from here you can type in the prompt. Let's say I am a website developer and I want to write a summary for my LinkedIn profile. So my prompt should be I am a website developer. I want to create my LinkedIn profile for which I want a profile summary of about, let's say, 70 words. Now you can give ChatGPT more information about your background or history. For example, I have 5 years of experience in website development. You can also add your skills and if you have any other detail that needs to be mentioned. Now hit enter. Here ChatGPT will create a 70-word summary for your profile. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.